Sorry about that, guys. I got a little distracted unboxing that new Rusty's heavy-duty steering. It's just so shiny in that packaging. Wow. Anyways, follow along as we get it installed on this Jeep JLU. The factory steering linkage is complicated and features compound angles that don't respond well to lifts. It also has a few weak points. Rusty's heavy-duty steering system for the JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator works as a standalone replacement upgrade and creates a system that is nearly indestructible. After removing the tires, we use the Rusty's alignment tools to check the toe measurements. Remove the 4 factory nuts that attach the factory tie rod ends to the steering knuckles and the pitman arm, and the steering stabilizer. You may need a pickle fork or hammer to help release the ends. You'll remove the axle side track bar bolt to install the steering stabilizer relocation bracket. You'll need to drill a hole in the factory track bar axle mount. Secure the bracket and reinstall the track bar with the supplied hardware. You can remove the factory axle side steering stabilizer bracket. It will not be reused. The new tie rod and drag link are installed into the same position as the old components. Now we can recheck the alignment with the Rusty's alignment tool and then tighten our jam nuts to 150 foot-pounds. After reinstalling everything, torque the tie rod ends to 65 foot-pounds and the pitman arm to 75 foot-pounds. Reinstall the steering stabilizer into the new relocation bracket at the track bar mount. Then turn the wheels all the way to the right and hold there. Compress the steering stabilizer all the way, pull it out 1/8 of an inch, then clamp it to the tie rod tubing using the supplied bracket. Alright guys, that's about it. Now before you go out driving, make sure you grease up those tie rod ends. Don't forget to get your steering wheel aligned. Now go abuse it.